The cryptocurrency Bitcoin, XRP, Hedera and other crypto that you hold is not financially stable according to the head of the United States Federal Reserve Jerome Powell. Yes, he just said a couple of days ago how there are so many risks involved with the cryptos that you hold. Before you watch the full video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. I'm not a financial advisor and everything in this video is not financial advice. So before investing you must always do your own due diligence. But why should you not listen and why should you not care? Because think about it. The head of the Fed is in charge of promoting the United States dollar. They're in charge of keeping the purchasing power high of the United States dollar. The United States dollar is threatened by crypto and the head of the Fed is obviously interested in promoting the US dollar and not crypto. So think of them as going against each other. The value of the US dollar has just been going down for decades, but the value of the crypto market has been going up for about 10 years. So that is why the head of the Fed is threatened by crypto. That is why Jerome Powell is saying what he's saying about crypto in negative terms. Because they are threatened, that is literally why they are saying this. So again, pay attention to the source of the information that you are receiving on a daily basis. Whether it's about crypto, stocks, your personal life, health advice, whatever it is, make sure you pay attention to the source. On this channel, I try to give you my honest opinion about what's happening around the world. So destroy the like button for this review. Make sure you subscribe as well if you appreciate the honesty. If you also agree that crypto is the future, then why would you believe what the head of the US dollar is saying about crypto? Obviously, they do not want to see crypto thrive. They think that there are a lot of risks and there's a lot of scams in crypto. They don't want to see crypto be the future, but it is and they are scared. That is why they are making these remarks to keep you from buying and to make you sell. But I am here to tell you that as long as you do your homework and as long as you invest in good projects, you will be successful. If you invest a good amount in a diversified portfolio and manage your risk, you will be fine in cryptocurrency, stocks and real estate. Everything in this world has risk and reward, so you cannot get rid of risk. There is always going to be risk and reward no matter what asset class you're playing with, but I want you to remember, as you're going through your day and seeing more information, to think about the person who is giving you the information. Is the person looking for your best interest or wanting you to sell or buy something in particular just to benefit them? So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to us.